Hi, all, and welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special episode for us where we feature the Rolls-Royce Phantom extended wheelbase by Kyosho in scale 1:18. Seen here are the two cars, one in dual tone wine red and silver, and the white. Let's unbox this icon. Seen here is the Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended Wheelbase Edition launched in 2005. This is an official licensed product by Kyosho in scale 1:18. The color shown here is Arctic White. BMW wanted this to be the ultimate luxury statement and spared no expense. This was the first car which was made under the leadership of BMW after BMW took over Rolls-Royce. As we can see here, every detail has been well defined. The car comes with a large boot that is carpeted. The side lines are very clear. The rims are very well detailed, and so are the tires. The interior is classic Rolls-Royce with wooden paneling and cream leather seats. The door panel is very well laid out with wood. We can also see an open glove compartment. This car comes with its own umbrella. That's the level of detailing that Kyosho has gone into and put in the Phantom. The ORVMs are openable. The interior is beige and very well laid out. There is also a lot of equipment within that can be opened, including the glove compartment and the central armrests. Kyosho has done a fantastic job with this car. Seen here are the suicide doors, or what Rolls-Royce calls the coach doors. The front grille in chrome is just majestic along with the spirit of ecstasy. This is a Series 1 Rolls-Royce identified by the round fog lamps. The engine is large. It's a 6.75 liter V12 engine that produces 460 PS of power. BMW was initially wanting to put in a 9 liter V16 but decided against it given the fuel consumption. Kyosho has done a fantastic job by detailing this vehicle. Every aspect has been looked at and has been taken care of. Kyosho has done a fantastic job with this Phantom and has replicated every single aspect that the actual Rolls-Royce has. It's been finished superbly. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe.